One thing that you'll notice when you come out here in the summer is that the grass grows this tall, and some parts the grass is this high. I let the grass grow tall, and then I scythe the whole field with a scythe that uses no fossil fuels. It's a skill. It requires a very smooth motion and a lot of concentration. It's a great way to work on your balance and um, hand-eye coordination. The the result is then this huge pile of hay. That hay is carbon that is taken out of the atmosphere. It's essentially sequestered. And in a field like this, the annual or biannual scything, cutting enhances the growth of the grass, and then that is enhancing both how much carbon is being pulled out of the atmosphere and turned into hay, but also the root system is feeding carbon into the soil as well, and that is building up carbon inside the soil, sequestering carbon inside the soil as well. This hay we can use for mulch around the property, and it's very useful for that purpose. But in addition, lawns in America are one of the largest irrigated crops. People put a tremendous amount of herbicides and pesticides on their lawns. Lawns tend to be these ecological desert zones, whereas in this case, this meadow is teeming with life. You can find birds' nests with eggs in the nests out here. There are turtles and gophers and weasels, all sorts of creatures living on the earth. It's teeming with life. There are in the summer, very soon, this meadow will be full of wildflowers and bees and butterflies and birds. It's a complete contrast to what you normally see in a typical suburban landscape, and it's serving multiple ecological purposes. It's sequestering carbon dioxide, and it's so easy to just let your lawn grow and just cut it once a season.